variables are divided into variables are divided variables are divided into two types. What are those guys? Variables are divided into two types. So what is the one? One is environmental, environment, environment variable. The second one is user defined variable. What is that? User defined variable. What is this, guys? Variables are divided into two types. Variables are divided into two types. So environment variables and user variables. So environment variables will be used by the operating system. So we can call these variables as a system variables. What is that? Environment variables will be used by operating system. So we can call these variables as system variables. Understood, guys? So environment variables will be used by the operating system. So we can call these variables as a system variables. System variables. I will show you. So we can see all the environment array system variables using env using env command in putty terminal. Env command in putty terminal. What is that, guys? So we can see all the environment system variables using env command in the putty terminal. What is this, guys? These all are the env variables. So these all are the env variables. Guys, understood? Yes, understood. So environment variables will be used by operating system. So we can call these variables as a system variables. So we can see all these environment system variables using env command input to terminal. Based on the requirement, we will define some variables. Those are called as a user defined variables. So something like so what is that? So these all are the so what is that? User defined variables. What is user defined variables? Based on requirement. Based on requirement. So we will define some variables. Those variables are called as user defined variables. What is that? User user defined user defined variables. What is that, guys? So for example, hero equal to NTR. So heroine equal to Janvi Kapoor. Janvi Kapoor. Yes, understood. So based on the requirement, we will be define some variables. Those variables are some variables. Those are called as a user defined variables. In the env, by executing env command, we will see all the environment variables. Yeah, we already see the environment variables. Right, guys? So rules to the defined variables. So rules to the defined variables or something like we will execute another step called as a add, right? So for example, we add or number.sh. So what is that? So hash exclamatory bin bash Okay. So next, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, echo values of A and B are $A, $B, double quotes, semicolon. Okay. So this is nothing but a AB value definition value. So chmod plus x number dot sh dot slash number dot sh. Values of A and B are 20. Values of A and B are 20. Guys, understood?